What's up, guys? Happy Saturday. We're back out in the garage. Out of town last week, but we're back now, and we got some work on the Silverado.
I don't know where it is.
Ooh. Man, look how tall that truck is. Leaman, go stand by it. How tall are you, Leaman?
Almost 5 feet.
That truck is huge. Huge truck. Okay, so today we've got the start of probably a 10 video series. We are going to be putting in all sorts of LasFit bulbs in this truck. We've got a line of storms coming in today, so we're not going to be able to do a bunch. But for now, the weather looks okay. So we'll back the truck in, and I think we're going to do the license plate bulbs and maybe the reverse lights first. So this video will be the license plate bulbs. Real simple install. We'll go ahead and get to it. Oh, you got it?
I gotta get that.
Go ahead. There we go. A lot of dirt from this golf cart.
We did play Mud War with it.
Yeah. Mud War? What is that?
We took little pieces of dirt off of it and threw it at each other.
So some people wonder how I get up in my truck with it lifted and no step bars. And I'm 6'2", just to give you like a height perspective on how tall this truck is. So, all right, here we go. 1 foot up, hand on the handle, hand on the door, right up. Okay, we got the truck in the garage, and so now it's time to get to replacing these two things here. For that, we got to get up under the bumper, but it shouldn't be too hard because my bumper's like 700 feet off the ground. All right, let's see which one of these bulbs are for the tag lights. Should be like a 194 equivalent, or maybe this is the T10 here. Yeah, I think that's it. Yep, T10. And this should be a white. All right, we're gonna bust out the old man crawler on this job because I don't feel like laying on the ground. Oh, just note, I'm a professional mechanic. Don't try this at home. Actually, you can't. Oh, too old for this. All right, so the license plate bulbs are kind of hard to see from where we're at, but if you go on the outside of the truck, right, we're on the driver's side right now, the bulb's right there. So if we follow that to the inside, right there, see that little housing?
Can I see it?
Right up in there.
It's like a metal thing.
Yep, and you're gonna quarter turn counterclockwise to remove it. So we'll go ahead and do that. All right, so on mine, I can reach my hand right up in here, get to the bulb, then I quarter turn. There we go, and it kind of snaps. And there you go, we can see the bulbs come out. So the previous owner of this truck already put some LED bulbs in here, but they aren't LasFit, so we're gonna take them out. All right, pop these bulbs open. This is a LT10 bulb from LasFit. You can see both of these out. These are 12 volt CAN bus bulbs. Really nice quality from LasFit. Always had nice quality from LasFit. That's why I keep going back there. These guys put out a really good product. The customer service is just incredible. So anyway, all right, time to put them in the truck. Pro tip, if you have one of these massive drop hitches, don't hit your head on it like I did. All right, so you can see the socket there. Pretty much the bulb just snaps straight in. There's no turning or anything. You can kind of see the bulb here. It just has pins that will push in, and so you just snap it right in. Okay, so we got one side in. We got the driver's side installed. The passenger side is the original LED that was in there. It's not OEM, but it's whatever brand somebody else put in here. So we're gonna see which one's brighter. Right out of the gate, you can see the LasFit is way brighter. So if we go to that side versus that side, you can see the light that's cast on the bumper right here, the reflection versus the other side. The LaSfit bulbs are just brighter, just in general brighter. So you see that? And you come over here, and it's just completely white. Also, I'll say, and I don't know if the camera picks this up well, the LaSfit bulbs have a much wider color temperature than the other LED bulbs. Let me see this other bulb. Not sure what this is.
It's indestructible.
Well, I don't know about that. You've been throwing it on the ground?
I think it's plastic.
I'm not sure what brand it is. Maybe Sylvania? I don't know. But that's it. So, LaSfit, way brighter. All right. So we went ahead and did the other side now. So we got both LEDs installed. Leaman, you want to turn the lights on?
Yep.
Thanks, dude. All right. So now, if we zoom out, you can see the light reflection on the bumper is even and uniform. Same word, bright and even. And at the other side, there we go. All right, so that's it, guys. Super simple. It literally took me like 10 minutes, and it reminded me, I really wish I had the materials to finish these pods, because these pods are going to look sick and really bright. But I need a little bit extra wiring. The harness that it came with obviously doesn't reach to the front of this 20-something foot long truck. So I've got to get some extensions to be able to wire it in. And then I've got to figure out the switch situation, because the switch that I bought, this right here, while I like it a lot, it's a nice clean switch for everything, it sticks out like 6 inches in the back. And so there's no room under my dash to mount that, and I'm not cutting up all the supports. So I got to find a slimmer switch solution, and then I can finish that. But in the meantime, we're going to keep putting these LaSfit bulbs on the truck. LT10 reverse bulbs. They're super bright. Go get them while you can. lasfit.com. Use promo code leamangriffin&lasfit, which is Leaman Griffin, the and symbol in the word LaSfit. And I'll put it right here. And you guys can save 10% on any regularly priced items on their website. So check them out, guys, lasfit.com. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.